When your home's foundation settles, other issues can occur, such as bowing walls and sagging floors. To ensure that your home's foundation is stable and healthy, it's important to fix a settling foundation as soon as it is noticed. Helical piers are a great solution to fix a settling foundation. But what are helical piers? In this video, we will discuss what helical piers are, and we'll talk about how they work. Hi, I'm Nolan and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. If your home's foundation is settling, you're going to want to address that problem sooner rather than later. Helical piers are a great solution to the problem of a settling foundation. But what are they and what do they do? Let's discuss this further. Helical piers are a foundation support product. These piers are shaped like large screws and are screwed down into the earth to provide stability for your home's foundation. To provide your home's settling foundation with the support it needs, these helical piers are screwed down into load-bearing soil. We are able to determine the depth of each helical pier by monitoring its PSI as it is being turned into the earth. Once these screws reach load-bearing soil, the piers will be attached to your home's foundation using brackets. Helical piers are a great solution to stabilizing your home's settling foundation. But they're not the only option. Push piers are another common product used to help lift or stabilize a home's foundation. If you want to learn about the difference between push piers and helical piers, click the card on the screen now to watch that comparison. If you have questions about helical piers, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button at the top right-hand corner. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about helical piers? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.